Okay, getting ready for kayaking. A little apprehensive, but we'll see how this goes here. Experienced people are taking off. They're going to go like bandits probably. I'll be happy if I just meander. Well, I'm currently on the kayak. I'm in a double by myself here, and I'm going down this way, and there's a bridge over there. We could stay in this area here. I'm going to bring this back a little bit, even though the sun's behind me here, but I'm here in a kayak. It's pretty good. I feel pretty stable, so I got to get going here. So maybe we'll have more stuff in the future here. So far so good. A few little waves here, a few little waves. Rocking the boat, rocking the boat. I don't want to rock the boat here. So okay, let's put the camera away. Oh, we got some kind of a crane type thing here. I don't know what this is. Some kind of ropes or something here, but I'm not really sure what it is. But there's some other, like a dock here or something, so I'm not really sure. Hope I don't get snagged on that. I don't want to have an accident here, so okay, I better get back to paddling. Okay, I'm just drifting now, and I got water on the lens, so I'm going to try to get that dot of water off. And the wind is circling me around here because it's just breezy here. So I'm just sitting here meandering. I was facing that way back there. That's the way I was heading. But as soon as I stopped paddling, the wind turned me around to the opposite way here. So I'm back over here. Now I got the sun in back of me here, so it's a little hard to see me here. But I'm going to try to head back that way, back there. Okay, now I got the sun in my eyes here, so you can see me a little bit better here. The wind's going to twist me around here because the wind's blowing. I'm going to have to do a 360 here, but that's okay. You can see in back of me. There's the bridge over there. Not too bad here in the kayak. It's a little sunny, but everything is okay. I'm here, and we'll do a 360 and come around here. So that's because the wind's blowing me. What can I do? I'm only one man. I can't control the elements there. So, okay, Ed Getley signing off. Bye-bye. Well, these were our Zodiacs. It worked out very good. Went all around out here in the water, all around this area here. And the wind kind of turned me around a couple times. I had to do like 360s or U-turns here, but worked out good. Didn't do the single ones because there's a little problem with my feet in there, although I probably could have fit in there, but the stirrups for your feet were a little dodgy there. So the big one caught the wind more, but that was okay. So